Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about NFTs and I'm going to show you guys all kinds of different NFTs that you guys should be looking at if you are a complete beginner in the NFT space. Alright guys, so guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading, all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow, you guys. All right, so here's the thing, you guys, all right? I'm an honest, realistic type of guy. I'm not a moon boy. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that, oh my gosh, this NFT is going to go to $6 billion or something, or Bitcoin's going to go to $700,000 this year or something like that. That's not me. I'm a realistic type of person, okay? Like most of you, I'm putting my real money into this market, so I'm going to be as realistic as possible with it because I want to make money, not lose money, okay? So guys, here's the thing. There's a lot of videos out there, okay? There's a ton of videos out there about NFTs, and quite frankly, they are all just... they make me sick, honestly. A lot of them make me sick because they're not realistic and they talk about all kinds of stuff that just does not matter whatsoever, and it does not help beginners whatsoever, okay? And since this video is aimed directly at beginners, I'm going to talk about things as if you were 5 years old because I feel like beginners can relate easier to people who explain things on a lower level basis than as if they were assuming that they were technologically advanced or something like that. So, yeah, guys, today we're going to be looking into NFT stuff, all right? So guys, the very first thing I want to talk about here is, NFT marketplaces themselves, okay? So as we know, you guys, there are multiple different blockchains, okay? There's multiple different blockchains, and there are multiple, you can buy and sell NFTs on multiple different blockchains, okay? We got Ethereum, we've got Cardano, we've got Solana, we've got Avalanche, we've got Tezos, we've got Wax, we've got Hive, we've got Flow, we've got Polygon, we've got all kinds of different blockchains that you can buy NFTs on, you guys. But for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be going through the most popular blockchains. I'm not going to talk about the smaller ones, that don't have very much volume at all. I'm just going to, just to make things simple, we're going to talk about the bigger ones, okay? But the same principles that I'm going to be giving you today, the same principles apply to pretty much every buying NFTs on any blockchain, okay? So it really doesn't matter. So guys, here we go. We're going to look at some marketplaces, okay? So we got marketplaces, okay? So obviously, the first one I'm going to show you guys today would be OpenSea, okay? So if you want to buy, the types of NFTs you want to be buying, you guys, is you want to be buying NFTs that sell, okay? You want to be buying NFTs that are popular, okay? You don't want to buy an NFT project that isn't going to go anywhere because then, quite frankly, you guys, you're going to be stuck with a picture that you're going to be holding on to for years and years and years that's probably never going to go anywhere. And that's the reality of it, honestly. I'm sure you've seen a lot of places on, whether it be on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. I'm sure you've seen a lot of places where people are talking about, oh, buy this NFT project, buy that NFT project, buy this and that, whatever. And they claim that it's going to go up and skyrocket and stuff like that. But honestly, realistically, you guys, nobody's a magician. Nobody knows if it's going to go up for a fact or not. And that's the reality here, you guys. And so this is why when I talk about investing in stuff like NFTs, which is very, very risky, you only want to buy NFT projects that are popular, okay? The popular projects are the same types of projects that all the big people are buying. And those are the ones you want to be buying as well because those are the ones that are going to continue to keep growing long term as well. You don't want to be buying into the small ones just because they're cheap and you can afford it, okay? Because that's not going to get you anywhere. It's really not. I mean, it's really not. You're going to end up being stuck with a picture that's not going to go anywhere, and you're going to be upset because you spent, I don't know, $200 on this picture that didn't do anything. So realistically, you guys, you want to make sure, the biggest key thing here is you want to make sure that the NFTs that you're buying are NFTs that are popular, okay? So here we're going to talk about the different exchanges and the different marketplaces that are on different blockchains for NFTs, okay? So obviously for Ethereum NFTs, which is pretty much the cream of the crop in the NFT world, everybody goes for Ethereum NFTs. But they are expensive. They really are, because you got to pay Ethereum gas and stuff like that, so it's very expensive. But here we got OpenSea. OpenSea is the number one exchange, or sorry, not exchange, the number one marketplace for Ethereum NFTs. I'm sure you've probably heard of CryptoPunks and all the popular ones like Bored Ape Yacht Club and stuff like that. The popular NFT projects that are built on Ethereum and sold here on OpenSea. And as we can see here, you guys, and the way that you find these popular ones is you just simply click on all NFTs pretty much, and you can pretty much go to collections and stuff like that. And pretty much all your main popular ones are going to be listed pretty much on the left side here. And all the popular ones are pretty much going to go from top to bottom. I mean, right now, the top popular ones in the past, the big ones, you're going to get your CryptoPunks, your Bored Ape Yacht Club, your Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, they're expensive, but they're very, very popular, and they are solid investment choices, you guys. And that's the other thing here too, you guys. You got to think about, why are you investing in NFTs? Is it to be a long-term investment? Are you trying to day trade them? Whatever, that's another thing you got to look at and think about as well. If you would just want to buy them and hold on to them for a long time and hope that they appreciate in value, you're definitely going to want to make sure that you buy a good quality NFT project, okay? So honestly, here we go. This is where you would go to find all your favorite, where you go to find Ethereum NFTs. Okay. Now here's the thing. This is pretty much a layer one marketplace here. So here we got a layer 2 marketplace, which is Immutable X. Okay, Immutable X is pretty much a lot of it has to do with it's pretty much NFTs on Ethereum layer 2. It's a layer 2 solution so that you can have cheaper gas fees and stuff like that. And pretty much when you buy NFTs on Immutable X, I mean, here's the thing, you guys. I'm no expert, but I have dabbled quite a bit in NFTs, and I've done my own, research, and I have bought my own NFTs in the past as well, and I do hold NFTs as well. So I have, looked into all this, and I have had experience with this stuff as well. With Immutable X, you pay little to no gas fees whatsoever, which is very, very nice. And you've got your big ones on here like Gods Unchained. You got your High Rise Creature Club. You got ViWorld's Nifty Nuggets, Moonshot Garage Project. All kinds of very popular NFT projects here, you guys, and these are all on Ethereum as well. So that just goes to show that, these are just Ethereum NFTs, the most popular NFT exchanges, that your NFT marketplaces. Now, here's the other thing that I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, you guys. There's other types of NFTs that you can buy as well. I mean, it's not just about having a pretty profile picture or something like that. Because realistically, you guys, there's a lot of NFT projects out there where you're not just buying a picture of something, okay? A lot of these NFTs, some of them you can actually do something with them. A lot of the projects, they've got their own metaverse, their own virtual world and stuff like that, and you can buy different items to use inside of that specific realm or digital world, I guess you could say. So that has a lot to do with these NFTs as well. And Gods Unchained is one of them, but it's a very popular project. So, I mean, hey, this would be a very good, solid project to buy into for the long term. So guys, this is Ethereum NFTs, okay? Pretty much your popular one is going to be OpenSea and Immutable X, okay? So now we're going to slip over and move over to Solana, okay? So we've got Solana NFTs here. Now, the most popular exchange, the one that's got the most volume overall, would be Magic Eden, okay? So magiceden.io, and you click on, you're going to land on your home section, then you click on collections here, and your popular collections. So these are all your most popular collections here. And as we can see here, you guys, again, you want to go with the most popular collections because those are going to be the ones that are going to do well in the long term, most likely. DeGods, everybody knows about DeGods. People have been buying them for a while now. Tombstone. Then we sit here, you guys, and we got Astrals, and then we've got Degenerate Ape Academy, Soul Gods, all of these different projects, Famous Foxes, there got Galactic Geckos. There's a lot of very popular projects on Solana here, and honestly, if you want to get into cheaper NFTs, if you want to buy a NFT that's cheaper, you definitely want to go with a Solana-based NFT. They're very, very cheap, very inexpensive, and Solana is continuing to grow more and more every single day, so it's great to see. So guys, Magic Eden is the place where you want to go to buy your Solana NFTs. And honestly, you guys, to be brutally honest, so like I said, go to home, collections, popular. You want to choose pretty much anything. Make sure the tab is on 30 days. That way you get the most of what you think is the most popular. you know, choose pretty much anything that, you know, catches your eye the most out of any of these top projects. I mean, realistically, these are pretty much the most popular projects you're going to get on Solana as far as NFTs are concerned. And they're going to be, you know, your best case scenario to make a good potential positive return on your investment in the future on your NFT. So again, guys, beginner NFT owners, you want to make sure you are buying the popular projects. So now here we are, we're going to move over to Cardano NFTs. So the most popular Cardano NFT marketplace is called cnft.io, okay? Now, it's the same thing here, same exact type of thing. You know, you want to click on, you know, I haven't really used this that much, but let's see here. Recently listed, verified only, ending soon, most viewed. Let's see here, type, nope. Projects, nope. There's no way to, I'm noticing there's really no way to filter to see, you know, the most popular type of projects on here. And I would hope that's something that they can do in the future. A lot of these marketplaces, you guys, a lot of them are still very young, and they are still adding on to things, you know, within their whole marketplace as time goes on. So that's good to see. But overall here, you guys, realistically, again, you want to make sure that you are buying into a popular project, okay? Obviously, you want to click on most viewed. That's what I would do with the Cardano NFTs through cnft.io and see which ones are most viewed, and then see which ones, you know, see which projects have the most, I guess you could say, have the most sales and stuff like that. And, you know, choose based on that, you know, that aspect alone. So guys, this is where you would come for Cardano-based NFTs, cnft.io. And again, the more popular projects. Now here, guys, we're going to move to Avalanche, okay? So these were Avalanche or AVAX NFTs, okay? Now, same thing. We are at marketplace.kalau.io. There's a lot of different marketplaces for all of these different places. So here's the thing, you guys. We looked at Ethereum-based NFTs. We looked at Solana-based NFTs, Cardano NFTs, Avalanche NFTs. You know, and honestly, I'm about to show you Tezos-based NFTs, and then Binance or BNB-based NFTs. And then there's also multi-chain NFTs as well. Here's a marketplace that also sells NFTs as well called Rarible. And they sell NFTs on, you know, multiple different blockchains. You got Polygon, Flow, and Ethereum all on Rarible. And then on LooksRare, LooksRare is another one, and LooksRare is another one. So as we can see here, you guys, let's see here, we've got, let's explore, collection, as well as we can see here, you guys, all they got right here, right now that we can see would be Ethereum. But as you can see here, you guys, this is another very popular NFT marketplace as well. Overall, you guys, there's a ton of different marketplaces, a ton of different blockchains you can buy NFTs from. If you're in it for cheapness or you want to get something that's cheap, definitely you want to go with Magic Eden on the Solana blockchain. Okay, and realistically here, you guys, again, it's very important. The most important thing here that I can tell you is make sure you are buying NFTs that are very popular, okay? You do not want to buy some random small project that's not going to get anywhere. I'm going to show you an example here real quick, okay? So here's an example, all right? This is a project that I got into a long time ago called Chubby Corgis, okay? This is a project that I got into a long time ago. It minted at 0.10, okay? 0.10. And over time, it just lost its steam, and now it's trading for the floor price of it is 0.01. So it has literally gone down 10x from where it was. So this is what I'm talking about. You do not want to buy brand new minted projects or projects that haven't gotten anywhere or projects that aren't very popular. You want to make sure that you are definitely buying popular projects here, you guys. As we can see here, the floor price of DGods is 179.99 SOL. That is definitely not where this project minted from at the very beginning. So this project has appreciated in value a lot since then. So that's why I go ahead and say, you guys, it is very important, and you need to make sure that you are buying NFTs that are popular, okay? Now, here's the thing. Now we're going to look at some wallets, okay? So obviously, if you're new to NFTs, don't worry, this part won't take very long at all. If you're new to NFTs and you want to start buying Ethereum NFTs, if you want to buy Ethereum-based NFTs or Binance-based NFTs or Polygon-based NFTs, you're definitely going to want the MetaMask wallet, okay? Just come to metamask.io, look into it a little bit, download it, whatever. It's a browser-based wallet, but they also have a mobile app as well, and you can use it that way simply as well. So guys, this is for going to be your Ethereum-based NFTs, Polygon-based NFTs, and Binance or BNB-based NFTs. All right. So next, guys, we've got the Solana-based NFTs. So for Solana, you're going to want to use Phantom. There's multiple different wallets that you can use, but Phantom is honestly the most popular for NFTs. As you can see here, it shows up right on your, right on your phone. It's very simple and easy to use. It's very, very easy to use, actually, and you can simply just use it at the time of whenever you want, realistically. So Phantom is the wallet you want if you're going to be buying and selling or buying Phantom or Solana-based NFTs. Now, guys, if you are doing Cardano-based NFTs, you're going to want the NAMI wallet, okay? So it's namiwallet.io, and you're going to come here. It's another browser-based wallet, so it's going to download as an extension right into your mobile or right into your web browser. It supports Chrome browser, Brave browser, and Edge browser, so that's nice to see. So this is for your Cardano. And then for Avalanche, you guys, we've got, the typical basic AVAX network wallet. So you just come to wallet.avax.network and you can access your wallet or create your new wallet, and it's as simple as that. It really is. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. And you can store all your NFTs in here. Again, guys, I will be doing more in-depth videos on this kind of stuff in the future. I don't like to make my videos very long. It's hard to make them not very long, but sometimes they do come out very long, and I apologize for that, but I'm just a detail-oriented person, so I like to make sure I'm getting out all the possible nooks and crannies of detailed information that I possibly can. And lastly, guys, we've got for Tezos, for the Tezos blockchain, if you're buying Tezos NFTs, you're going to want the Kukai wallet. It's pretty much the most popular wallet people use for storing their Tezos-based NFTs. So overall here, you guys, let me just recap really, really fast here, you guys. So realistically, the big key thing here is when you are buying NFTs, you want to make sure that you are buying NFTs that are popular, okay? You do not want to be dealing or messing with all of these other small NFT projects that aren't going to go anywhere because it's too big of a risk. It really is. I mean, you don't want to spend $200 on an NFT and then it ends up going nowhere. I mean, that's just a loss of money. Nobody wants to deal with that and whatever. So realistically, make sure you are sticking to NFT projects that are popular, okay, guys? So guys, I know you probably have a lot more questions, and that's okay. You can feel free to ask me on Twitter. I don't care. I'm a nice guy, and I'll tell you how it is. I'll be as honest as possible with you. But that pretty much does it for this video, you guys. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.